It's a bad man thing.
Loves, welcome back to the channel. Wigs to Wasteland here, and of course we're back with another wig review, and this one I've actually had for a minute. I want to give a big thank you to BLACKHAIRSPRAY.com for being so patient with me. They have been one of my ride or dies, so I definitely appreciate them holding on and giving me some time to kind of catch up. This one is by Outre in the style Athena. Of course, if you are familiar with me, if you know me personally, then you know my daughter's name is Athena. So, of course, naturally, I had to get this wig. So here is Miss Athena's care card. Already, I can tell you I'm not feeling this wig. Filler hairs. I really hope in 2018 we do away with the filler hairs. She is dark rooted.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way.
And ladies, I am gonna have to go in and pluck and tweeze this part. Well, maybe not. Maybe just a little. So if you guys are interested in seeing Miss Athena, then go ahead and keep watching.
Ha! She feeling my way. You whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha! She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me? Pay a Chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man.
Alright, love, so here we are with this unit, Miss Athena, and I'm gonna cut to the chase. I think you guys know by now I'm not feeling this wig. It's like it just stands out on this wig. So this is a very unnatural, very high hump, and it's just not, I'm not feeling it, y'all. She does have a comfortable cap, very roomy. I do love the texture on here, and of course, who does not love these curls, girl? But it's a no for me, dog. I'm just gonna cut to the chase. I'm not feeling it because of this bump. I do love the bang. The bang is something serious. Yes, girl. This is not a summer wig. This is definitely something you pull out for the winter. Really thick density on this unit. You will have to go in and pluck and tweeze this part. Now, it does appear that this unit is a little bit thin up top. I am a get up and go type of chick. I don't like putting in a lot of work, especially on synthetic wigs. I think, you know, you should be able to just style it how you like it, put it on and go. And this hump is just going to take a little too much work for my liking. If you are interested in purchasing, definitely check out BLACKHAIRSPRAY.com. Their information will be in the description box down below. And of course, don't forget to share the video with your mama, your daddy, your sister, your cousin, even them stanky neighbors down the street. Make sure you share the love, and of course, before you go ahead and check out the video here or here, and of course, hit the subscribe button while you're at it. And you ladies know what I say. Make sure you wear it with confidence, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.